Ice Cream Man. Read and enjoy. What is called sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day. It is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. When summer in the city and brick a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink, from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honeybees.